It's October the 27th, 2012. This is the Daggerwing boardwalk off the Nature Center on the edge of the Loxahatchee Preserve. The wind is from Hurricane Sandy, backside of which is where the wind here is coming from. Boardwalk takes a couple curves. And then just caught that. And we're gonna let's go trot up the top here, see what we see. Up the steps. There's the boardwalk came from. Higher still. This is the larger park. This Nature Center is part of a much larger complex that includes many tennis courts, baseball fields, soccer. There's even a water park. You can see it from here. No, you really can't. It's blocked. Quite a few vultures in the air. I saw them hungrily nabbing at things. Those vultures are the best. And there's the trail it came from. That's a long way down. I'll go slowly here. And I believe that concludes our little trot along the Nature Preserve of the Daggerwing Nature Center here at the very windy part of Palm Beach County. We're just west of Boca Raton. 441 is actually just east of us. So we're literally in what used to be the Everglades at one time. What we call that, or now the Loxahatchee Nature Preserve. Thank you very much. Swampy, Florida, October 27th, 2012.